Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today, let's talk about those beautiful hostas. You can see them everywhere in the garden. They're so versatile and so diverse. And if you would like to grow your own hosta from seeds, I'd like to share my experience with you.
Marcus is looking forward to this experiment. Did you know that hostas started out in China, Korea, and Japan and were brought to the United States in the 1800s? There are about 2,500 different hostas in the world today, and they're extremely popular in gardens all over the United States. If you're up to growing hostas from seeds, there is a catch. Hostas are hybrids, and plants grown from seeds, in most cases, will not look like parent plants. And a good way to multiply plants is to divide them. But that wouldn't stop you from embarking on this journey to grow your own baby hostas from seeds. I harvested the seed pods a little early in the season, but let's see if I got any decent seeds out of it. I'll just take a seed pod and see if I can break it, open up, and get seeds out.
Got some seeds out and ready to plant them.
Each seed pod can have around 30 seeds, and each seed is a small kernel at the end of a papery black wing. Exposure to cold for a few weeks may increase chances of germination. I stored mine in the garage till late fall. I'm placing seeds on the wet paper towel. I think I got a good number of seeds. Let's see if they germinate.
I just found the warmest place in my basement and didn't use anything special, just plastic bag. Hey guys, I'm so excited to see what happened to our seeds of hostas we started a couple of weeks ago. Let's take a look. Wow, this is so amazing to see. They sprouting, because I think I told you I actually didn't wait until seed pods mature. I cut them off the plants really early in the season and just let them sit for a while. And I was not sure at all if they're viable, but surely enough, the plants are so resilient. Now, I'm gonna use my small tweezers to pick seeds up and transfer them into seed starter pots. Just like that. And another one. Here's another one. Oops. I'm just gonna cover it slightly with seed starter mix and spray with water.
And cover with saran wrap. And back to the basement under the grow light. A few weeks down the road, little baby hostas are growing. A little slow, but I'll take it.